Welcome to Cooking with Denise. Well, we've all been working hard on our Thanksgiving dinner, and we're probably exhausted, but it hasn't happened yet. So let's just have us a glass of wine and relax a little. Oh, but wait, I want to tell you about this great recipe. It originated in my hometown, Louisville, Kentucky. It was invented by a chef at the Brown Hotel in 1926. He created it for those people who were coming to the hotel in the evening for dances, and he served this as an appetizer. It was quite the hit and has become very famous over the years. My family and myself, we have it frequently. But the important part for you is that you can use your leftover turkey for this recipe. Let me show you. Let's start frying up our bacon. Our servings are for 4, so we want to fry up 8 pieces of bacon. Okay, our bacon has been cooking and is browned nicely. So let's remove it and put it onto paper towels to drain. Don't look at my burnt bacon, please. I looked away. Maybe too much wine? Who knows? But I do have some good pieces in here, so I'll be okay. Now we are going to make our sauce. I'm going to start with a medium saucepan and heat it up to medium. And I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of butter in to melt. Now our butter has melted, so we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of flour, and we're going to whisk as we do that. Turn my heat down just a tad. I'm going to do this for about 2 minutes. So my heat is on medium-low, which is a number 3 on my stove. This is making a Mornay cheese sauce. And what we're doing now is making a roux. Now I'm going to put my heat back up to medium. Continue to add that milk. I mean half and half. And now I'm going to add the milk. 3/4 a cup of milk. We want to continue whisking this as it thickens. So the sauce is starting to thicken now. Starting to see little bubbles around the edges. I'm going to turn it down to 3. I do not want it to boil, but I do want it to thicken. And so now I'm ready to add my cheese. I have half a cup of shredded parmesan. So right now I'm on medium-low heat, number 3 on my dial. Oh, it's coming together nicely. Okay, so next what we want to do is add a pinch of nutmeg. There we go. 2 dashes of hot sauce. Stir that in. I'm going to go turn my heat off now. Remove it from the heat. Let's add salt and pepper, just a dash, like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and about 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, freshly ground. Stir that in, and let's put our sauce aside. Now preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and if you're making 4 servings, take 4 slices of bread and remove the crust. I'm doing 2 servings here, so I've removed the crust, and then slice them or cut them diagonally, and let's put them into our baking dishes, like so. Okay, and then we're going to take our turkey breast, and I apologize, my turkey is not finished, so I had to use deli turkey, but we're going to put that in here. What you'll want to use though is your turkey breast, and you're going to want it to be about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. I'm going to put it on your bread, and then next you're going to take your tomatoes, 1 to 2 tomatoes, slice them and place them on top of the turkey, like so. I'm going to now take my sauce, my cheese sauce, and I'm going to ladle it out over top of these casseroles. I want to get it good and covered. A little bit more on that one. Okay. So I'm going to put it into that 400 degree oven for about 5 to 10 minutes just to warm it up inside. And then after that, we're going to broil it to brown the sauce. Okay, so I've taken the hot browns out of the oven as they've heated up. And so now what we're going to do is sprinkle some extra Parmesan cheese on top. And we're going to put them under the broiler until that browns a tad. So our hot brown has been in the under the broiler and is nicely browned. So let's put 2 slices of bacon on top. There we go. And sprinkle it with some chopped parsley. Look at that. It is ready to go. There it is. Our Kentucky hot brown. Wow. Get a look at that. Enjoy and drink your glass of wine.